So we're gonna be making a paella. It comes from the sort of Valencia region of Spain, and it is a beautiful rice dish, kind of simmered together. So it's got the dryness that you get with rice, but a little bit of creaminess as well. If you don't have a paella pan at home, you're gonna start with a nice, broad, flat saute pan and a nice medium-high heat. A good 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my chicken. And then of course we want to season it with salt and pepper. While the chicken is cooking, I'm also going to add in this chorizo. We're going to add the piquillo peppers. Garlic, I'm going to add this garlic. We're going to add our rice. Now the secret with paella is this step right here. This is called pearling. Coating each grain in that excess fat. I'm going to add in just a touch of this Spanish paprika. So this is our beautiful chicken stock, and into it, we're gonna add our saffron thread. I'm gonna add some olives. These are artichoke hearts that are canned, and we're gonna add them in now. We're gonna turn it really low. I'm not gonna cover it. I'm gonna let it cook open, and it's gonna cook for about 30 minutes. Sprinkle the last ingredients on, and this shrimp, and this is gonna go back onto that medium flame for another 5 or so minutes.